make the desk 800mm deep, but because I'm not sure about where those walls are going to actually end up and whether they're actually square, it's an old house after all, I'm going to make this oversized so that I can trim it to suit when I bring it to the house. While it's pretty straightforward to simply make a plywood desktop, plonk that in place, one of the things that really sets it off is to make that front edge nice and chunky. I'm going to glue and screw another piece of plywood to the underside. I'm going to use some polyurethane glue. What it does is it expands to fill up any little voids that might be left between the two surfaces. Not too worried about where I put the screws or how many I put in, because remember, this is the underside of the desk.
The Holdfast Gorilla Glue takes just a couple of hours to set.
So I can take the clamps off. Front should be nice and firm by now. Flip it over, we can start routering. So what I'm going to do is use an offcut of the plywood as a guide, run along with the router, and because I'm using a really deep router bit, it can cut the entire front face and leave me with a really smooth finish.
In plywood, the grain is rotated by up to 90 degrees, layer by layer. This makes it stronger and more stable than a single sheet of the same timber. I'm using A-grade plywood. It's free from knots and discoloration.
This is really all about being honest about the materials, so not hiding the fact that it's plywood, and in fact part of that honesty is revealing how it's made.
Until the living room is finished, this is about as far as I can go.
So I've simply cut it down and then added an extra piece and then sort of a little zigzag join here. Now, it's a simple detail, but really effective.